Introducing the Quocdiog Baby Walker, the perfect companion for your little one's exciting journey into the world of walking. Are you ready to see your baby take those first steps with confidence and joy? Let's dive into what makes the Quocdiog Baby Walker the ultimate choice for your little explorer. First off, it's all about quality and safety. The Quocdiog Baby Walker is crafted from eco-friendly original raw material PP plastic, ensuring it's safe, non-toxic, and easy to care for. With 9 adjustable height positions, this walker grows with your baby, accommodating different heights and ensuring a perfect fit as your little one grows. Plus, it's incredibly convenient. The Quocdiog Baby Walker is easy to fold and unfold, making it portable and perfect for on-the-go families. No tools are required, thanks to its smart design and 6 large universal wheels. Your baby can move around smoothly and effortlessly, even in tight spaces. Safety is our top priority. The round design with 8 universal wheels ensures stability, and the 4 strong stainless steel legs provide reliable support. So, why should you choose the Quocdiog Baby Walker for your precious little one? Cleanups are a breeze with its machine-washable padded seat and easy-wipe snack tray. It's designed to make learning to walk a fun and joyful experience. Our baby walker is not just practical, it's space-saving too. After folding, it's only 3.1 inches high and won't take up much space. In the Quocdiog Baby Walker, your baby will find the perfect partner for those first exciting steps. With safety, comfort, and convenience all rolled into one, it's the best choice for parents who want only the best for their little ones. Available in a stylish black design, the Quocdiog Baby Walker is ready to bring joy to your baby's learning journey. Don't wait any longer. Give your baby the gift of exploration and independence with the Quocdiog Baby Walker. Order yours today and watch your little one take those first magical steps. Quocdiog Baby Walker, because every step is a moment to treasure.